A lot of restoration costs can reach up to or more. So if you have the funny I don't snore I dream I'm a tractor vintage shirt. I'd like to convert an old CRX lol. I was hoping that this would be a new trend where we funny I don't snore I dream I'm a tractor vintage shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. It's really early in the game. Right now the funny I don't snore I dream I'm a tractor vintage shirt. A lot of hot rods are built with parts from wrecked cars that are pennies on the dollar compared to new. There are very few wrecked electric cars out there, so it's damn expensive. At the moment the cheapest parts are likely from the Nissan Leaf, and there are a few conversions using those parts that I've seen. Have a fair amount of usage, but they're very expensive. Another 10 years and these types of conversions should be considerably more reasonable. Official funny I don't snore I dream I'm a tractor vintage sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt. Restoring a funny I don't snore I dream I'm a tractor vintage shirt. That's not going to get cheaper. He is probably looking for Teslas without frame damage. Frame damage on a Tesla is extremely expensive to repair, and the reason small crashes turn the car into a write-off. I DK anything about cars, so please help me better understand. So if a other product